Volcanoes. There are many volcanoes in Indonesia. Volcanoes are very beautiful, but they can be very dangerous as well. Some volcanoes erupt and shoot our gases into the air. Volcanoes can also pour out lava and rocks. Lava is very hot. The temperature may be above 1000 degrees centigrade. Sometimes the lava traps gases inside the volcano. If this happens, the volcano can explode. People can hear the thundering sound many kilometers away. The most famous volcano in Indonesia is Mount Merapi in central Java. It is the most active volcano in Indonesia. In 1994, Mount Merapi erupted, shooting out smoke, steam and volcanic ash high active into the air. The hot smoke and steam killed many people. Between Java and Sumatra, there was also a small volcanic island. The volcano on that island was called Krakatoa. In 1883, Mount Krakatoa erupted. The eruption destroyed the island. It made the loudest noise ever heard on Earth. Dust from the eruption rose thousands meters into the air. After the dust had settled, the island disappeared. Years ago, volcanoes erupted without warning. The burning lava destroyed whole villages and towns. Nowadays, scientists have learned how to forecast when a volcano is going to erupt. If it is going to be a big eruption, people are told to leave the dangerous area.